Today's video is about D.El.Ed lesson plan for E.V.S. So the register number subject is E.V.S, topic is types of animals, and the duration is 30 minutes. So this is the first page. The second page you have concept. That is, under this you have to write the heading of the lesson. Then objectives. What are the objectives you are going to say? So they refer to the students. Students will learn the motto to save animals. They will learn the names of the animals. They will be able to give example for each type of animals. They will be aware of the problems faced by the animals. They will come to know the importance of animals. Then here teaching aid used. So flashcards, then charts, so models also be used. So next one is stage. So under this prayer, then content, teaching activity, students activity, and the last one is learning outcome. So under prayer, so we are starting with some sloka. Then under teacher's activity, teacher will instruct the student to stand up and say the prayer, and they will recite the prayer. They will say the prayer, recite the prayer. So they learn the prayer. Next is the introduction. So through questions we are introducing the lesson. So teacher's activity, the teacher will ask a few questions. So the question about what they see around us and what they see outside, showing a picture of cow and what is this? The teacher questions about that, and what does it give? So we're going on questioning. So finally, you get all the answers from the showing the pictures. We are getting the answers from the children. So here students activity, they listen and observe the picture, then corresponding to the question you have to give the answer. They will answer it is a cow. Then what it gives means it gives milk. Then one by one they are giving. So if it is a hen, they will show the picture and they identify. The answer should be written here. So here under learning outcome, you have to write as they will be able to, they know about answer. They will come to know about the animals. They will know about the uses of animals. Which are the pictures you can paste here and you can show them. Next one is lesson development. So you are starting with a rhyme. The dog says bow, the cat says mew. So like a rhyme you can start with, and the children also repeat it. Then so the teacher next one, by showing some flashcard and pictures, the teacher will be questioning. So they will be able to identify and they will be able to explain about that. So learning outcome. So they know the rhyme for this one and they come to know the importance of animals. For example, the animal here, camel is pulling a cart, so they can say that the uses of animals. Then horse, like where it is used, they'll come to know about that. And the next one, sheep. So what is the importance of what do you get from the sheep? All this again, big question. So the sheep is very useful animal. We get wool and milk from it. So they observe the picture. They will learn more about wool and sweaters and all. Then what is a young sheep is called as a lamb. So they'll come to know about the younger ones. The lion is a wild animal and the king of the forest. Teacher's activity. The tiger is our national animal. Then here they will recall about the tiger. In students activity, they listen and understand. These can be written frequently and they recall about it. If it is something they have to think, if they are learnt in the lower classes, they recall, you can mention it. The animals are so if animals are not in the forest, we won't get rain. All this can be mentioned about rain cycle, water cycle and all. Then finally what happened, they'll tell about a story, a moral story. A small story can be narrated and it can be said. So here the lion and the mouse story is being said, and moral. So do good and you'll get good. Then finally They learnt about the moral of the story and the moral of the story, and they learnt about the moral values from the lesson from this story. Then next you indoor activity, like match the pictures. So some activity sheet will be given to them and they'll match with that. So like match the pictures and along with the names, that will be done. So here what you have to write is they will complete the activity. The students will enjoy it while doing. And here in this one they will learn to know about the animals and their names. Next one, outdoor activity, a visit to zoo. So the teacher will take the students to zoo one day, like a excursion or something like that. Next one, evaluation. You can give 4 or 5 questions here. That question can be made to learn, or the same thing can be given as an assignment to do it in their house and come. This is about the lesson plan for D.El.Ed first year. If you find this video informative and useful, kindly like and subscribe my channel.